My name is Sulha Ghor from Beacon Canal Side Boys Campus, and today I'm going to tell you about what I learned from this Python course. In this course, I learned the basics of Python, in which it included the functions and the really basic, like how you could calculate basic stuff in Python, or make a simple line of code turn into many by using some types of functions. This will help me in further studies also, because I'm trying to get into the computer subject in my school, and learning Python will tell me where to start with, how to do everything, and really help me.
Okay, so thank you, fellas.